The emergency alert blared on my phone, making my heart jump. Stay indoors, do not look at the moon. Weird. I peeked outside. The moon was full and bright. Nothing seemed out of the ordinary. My neighbor, Mr. Henderson, was standing on his lawn, staring straight up at it, completely motionless. I shrugged it off. The alerts these days are always overblown. A few minutes later, another alert came through. The warning is not a test. Do not go outside. But this time, it was followed by a text from an unknown number. We see you through the window. Come join us.